Hello guys, welcome back once again on my channel. So in this video we'll be learning how to make a bell sleeve. It's a very simple tutorial, a bell sleeve or an A-shaped sleeve. So first of all, you're going to fold your fabric in a diagonal form. So after folding in the diagonal form, you are going to, on the upper part, you can see you're going to measure your armhole. You can see the way I'm trying to adjust. You measure your armhole circumference, divide it by 2, so you make sure the upper part you're going to fit in. You will locate the place that the circumference is your armhole circumference will be fit in. After that, then you place there and come up by 4 inches, so that will serve as your cap height. So you go up by 4 inches from the place you located your armhole circumference. So you go up by 4 inches, so that 4 inches will serve as your cap height, then as your starting point. So from there, you're going to mark your desired sleeve length. You're going to be marking your desired sleeve length plus your folding allowance. Okay, 1 inch for the folding allowance. So you can see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to mark it all round the down part. So you're going to determine how full you want it. If you want it more fuller, you can still go ahead and adjust. If you don't want it to be so full, you also adjust the down part. Okay, so you can see I folded my fabric in a diagonal form. So this is what I have there. So after that now, so you can see the down is full depending on how fuller you want it. If you don't want it to be so wide or full, you can adjust it to reduce it a bit. So it's folded in a diagonal form. So after that, now I'm trying to cross check. So you can see my cap height. So from there, I'm trying to, you make a straight line, making sure that your armhole measurement will fit in. So at this junction, my armhole measurement is not enough, so I'm trying to adjust to shift my fabric or adjust it a little bit so that I'll be able to get my armhole circumference divided by 2. So after that, now the next thing is to draw a straight line, or you can just go ahead and do your normal sleeve cutting the way you normally cut your sleeve. So there are so many ways to cut sleeves. So by this, you can just make a straight line, then locate the midpoint of the straight line, then make a curve like an X. You make a curve from the upper side, then you also make another curve downwards, just like this. You can use your free hand to achieve this. So this is what you have. So this is our sleeve curve. So armhole curve rather. So after that, you're going to determine, like I said earlier, you are going to determine how wide you want it. You can still use the same line like this, or you can come in. You can use this line, or you can as well come in to reduce the fullness. So everything totally depends on your choice. So now, like I said, it's a very simple tutorial. So guys, at this point, if this is your first time of coming into my channel, you're highly welcome guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay guys, so when you subscribe, please hit notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. So guys, you can see now I'm trying to cut it out. After cutting this out, we're going to use the sleeve to cut the second one. So I'm going to use it to cut the second one. So the bell sleeve, you can decide to use elastic. You can decide to use elastic to gather the down part, or you can decide to leave it like that. You can see I'm trying to show you how you can reduce the fullness. So set that one aside and fold our fabric into 2 for us to cut the second sleeve. Okay, so now I'm trying to fold you can see I'm still trying to fold my fabric in a bias form. So after folding it, I'm going to place the first fabric I cut so that I'll be able to trace the second one. So I can see me doing in the video, I'm trying to trace the second sleeve. Okay guys, so I'm tracing the sleeve now. This is the second sleeve. It's a very simple tutorial. All you need to do is to fold your fabric in a diagonal form, then you do your normal sleeve marking. You can decide to do a separate sleeve, maybe a basic sleeve on your pattern. Then after folding your fabric in a diagonal form, you just place it. Okay, so guys, so you can see how full my sleeve is. Everything depends on your choice. You can decide to reduce the fullness or increase it, depends on how dramatic you want yours to be. So now I'll set this aside. I also did another video about on how to cut this bell sleeve. So this is the sleeve. This is what I have now. So we'll go ahead and show you guys the other video. It's still the same thing. So the other video I used elastic to gather it up. So this is the second video I made from the sleeve. So this part is still the same process. So you first of all fold your fabric in a diagonal form like I said. So after folding it, then you go ahead and do your markings. So it depends on how full you want your the down part to be. So you can see the one I'm trying to fold, so that I'll be able to get the fullness I want. So from here, I will locate where my armhole circumference divided by 2 plus your sewing allowance. So after that, you go up by 4 inches. That will serve as your starting line. This is my cap height. So from the cap height, you go up by 4. So this serve as a starting line. For there, you are going to determine your sleeve length. It's just the same process. It's the same thing. Okay, so guys, you can see that this video is very simple. It's a very quick and simple tutorial. It's a beginner friendly, very simple to make. So you can see after that now I've gotten the length I want. So the other thing I forgot to tell you in the other video, so you can see now I'm trying to make the line. You can use your free hand at this point. You can decide to do what I'm doing in the video. You can use your free hand, or you can follow the line so that you'll be able to get it correctly. So after that, now you determine how wide you want it. So what I forget to show you guys in the other video was on the edge, this end part, on this part, if you don't want it to be that sharp, you can come up by 1.5 inches or 1 inch. You go up by 1 inch and make a curve so that it will be more like a, you can see the way I'm trying to do. If you don't want the down part to be that pointing, you can come up by 1 inch or 1.5. Then you connect, after which you go ahead and cut it out. So this will give you the round, to make it in a round form or a circular form. So after cutting in this video, I used the elastic to gather this blue one. So by the first one I sew it like that, there was no elastic. So everything depends on your choice. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. At this point, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. Okay guys, so now you can see I am done with the marking or cutting of the sleeve. This is our bell sleeve. So this is the final. You can see I used, like I said earlier on, I used elastic to gather this up. So this is the finished look. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.